Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. And yes, we're going on with the 141R. Right here is the 141R steam train, as you can see, and we're going on with that. So let's get straight into this beautiful build and start. Well, as you can see right there, the belly cam is already down. So let's go on. We've got a lot of little movements to put on, movements like these, and we're going on, and we'll be putting them on the train as well. But we have to take wheels off. But let's see how we do that and when we do that. But let's get 15 out first. Well, there you can see that we've got quite a lot of screws and some very tiny parts there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of screws, as you can see right there, stage number 15. Well, okay, let's see what we do. We're starting on this side. We're going to get that wheel off. Keep that screw there with switches and AM, so let's put that with the AMs. Now 15D, I think this is 15D, but let's have a quick check what 15D is. No, it's this one we should have, 15D. So we're going to put that in like so, and we put a UM in, which is a flange screw. There we go, that is on. We can put it back on and take the next two off. So let's take them off first. Oh, we must keep, well, we're taking them off, so you can't see that properly. As you can see right there, we took them off, so we're going to, I think it's this one that we put on here and that one that we put on here. But we need to have a good look at which one is which. So it must be this one that we have to put in. Let's check 15C. Yep. And we need to put it on like so with that to the top. And then put a UM from the back again. So that's one. Then we're taking that one out as well. So we've got that one like so. I think the top camera is the best to do this now. We've got that one there. Then we put that on top of that. Yeah. And this is 15A we're going to put on. I think this should be like so. Then we're going to turn it around and put a UM through that one. I think this is what it should look like. Let's put these up and see. So let's put those, what are they, AMs in, and we put that ATM in. Yeah, I think that is good, as you can see right there. And then we need to put some things through that, making sure that all the wheels are in correctly. And we need to finish the last wheel. So we put that one on like so, then we put a UM from the back, then we put that AM back in again, and we're going to put something on right there. Must be the ATM again, and I think they're right. Let's see if we put that. Yeah, we are going to put the ASM screw right there. I do that first before I put those wheel caps on. You need more than one hand for that. There we go. I think it's going in. All right. Wow, that wasn't easy to put that in. But let's see what it looks like when it moves. All right. A little bit unhappy with the fact that that little thing in the front is a little bit loose, but I'm gonna have to do a lot to tighten that up. So when I do the other side, I have to make sure that it's properly in. All right, that is in. So we're going to get that one. So we're going to put that to the side. I don't get it. I don't see how this fits together. All right. This is more or less what it should look like. There's a pin there that you need to push it on. There's a pin on that side, and this is where you push it onto. Then we put an NP into that position there. All right, so we've got that together. Now we're going to put it on there and put a screw in there as well. But which screw is that? That's the UM. Isn't the easiest position to put that in, but we are going to put a little bit of oil on that tip. As you saw, that went in. So we put this on with a screw in there, which was the UM screw. We're putting those two together. That one. Wow, we've got this tiny little golden thing that we need to put in. There we go. If you're asking what that is, that's shrink wrap. All right, so we're working with those. And we were having that one like so, and that one like so, with an NP screw. So let's put that to the side and get an NP screw out. We're going to loosen it up a tiny bit. You can always screw it up a little bit tighter. We're going to leave that there, and we're going to get L15. Let's see what L15 is. So that's that little thing, and another NP screw. What are we on? 29. Wow, I need to split this in to even more level stages. So we've got that. Wow. All right, so we're going to put an AM in that one first, because this is getting pretty hard. And then up there, I don't know what kind of screw it is that went in there. Then we're going to get that one out. Wow. So as you can see, we've done the whole thing. I've just put a screw in the back of here to keep that one into position. It needs to stay in a certain area. And that's just one of the cameras that was overheating, most probably. But I'm going to leave them off. If this somehow is not working properly, I can always redo it by not putting them on. Well, that was that, guys. Thank you very much. Let me just turn that for you so you can see it, and let's put that way. So this is the whole thing that we put together, and really hard to put together. It took me more than half an hour. That's why I'm stopping, because I don't want to make too long videos for you. I want to keep them nice and short, so it's nice for you to see as well. And as you can see up there, new poster. Behind me there's a new poster as well, but please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more building on this train or on any of my other ones that you can see in the background as well. Let me just make that a little bit better on the other parts that you can see right there. So please like, subscribe and pass it on as I've asked you, and join me next time when I do some more building on this beautiful train or any of those other ones. Hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.